In this video I'm going to show you how to save multiple images from Google at once. That's quite simple and easy, just follow these simple steps. And first I open up my browser and let's search for something, let it be birds, for example. Then select images, and here I need to download some birds pictures. For that I just tap on the first picture and I hold my finger at the screen, and by another screen I can scroll down again, and then if I need to select one more bird I just tap here and I see there the number 2. That means that there are 2 photos. I continue scrolling down and I continue selecting all the pictures I want to save. Here you see there are 5 pictures already, and then if I go to photos, you see that pictures are still here. I just move my finger off the screen and here I see all the 5 selected pictures was successfully saved in my photos. That's pretty cool feature and I hope you like it. So before you go, please like and subscribe.